Hey you guys, it's Josie with Clean My Pawn, and I'll be solving an SAT algebra question. So I actually skipped over the last two because they were all about reading tables, which is pretty darn easy. But maybe I'll make a video about it. But I find that mostly everyone's having trouble with algebra, so let's read what it says. A company's manager estimated that the cost C in dollars of producing this many items is C equals 7N plus 350. So basically, you can imagine a situation where the manager has to pay a $350 upfront fee to use the factory. And then each time that the item's produced, he has to pay $7 worth of material and usage. So he better be selling like that, each item for like 20 bucks or something like that. Oh, he sold it for 12. That's going to take forever to turn a profit. The company makes a profit when total income from selling a quantity of items is greater than the total cost of producing that quantity of items. In other words, you got to make enough money so that basically every time you sell an item, which is for $12, you make a $5 profit. But remember, you made a $5 profit off one item, but you still paid a $350 upfront fee. So at that rate, you have to do 350 divided by 5, and it turns out you need to get 70 or more items. Well, 70, you're breaking even. More than 70, you're turning a profit. That's why like people need to sell things for more money, but I digress. Which of the following inequalities gives all possible values of n for which the manager estimates that the company will make a profit? I literally just calculated this without even reading the question because I was having too much fun with the problem. If you have fun with the problem, you can actually solve things pretty fast. The answer is C. Yeah, okay. I don't really care about the explanations, but that's how you think about it. You apply to a real world situation, and by applying it to a real world situation, you're able to think realistically about how the problem works and what number you'll get, and you won't get lost in the wording. Like for example, it says, the company makes a profit when blah, blah, blah. Like I totally didn't understand what they meant there. I just know that each time I sell an item, I make profit, but I still paid an upfront fee. But if we really are bogged down that we have to read the definition, then I would go like this. The company makes a profit, and I'll share the screen again. The company makes a profit when total income from selling some number of items, that's what quantity means, is greater than the total cost of producing that quantity of items. So basically, you sell some number of items and you should get more than what it costs you to produce it. Just replace quantity of items with one item and it becomes simple. For example, the company makes a profit when total income from selling one item is greater than the total cost of producing that one item. That was easy. So that's how you can think about the problem. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.